Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I look crazy. I did my full face except my eyes because I want to use the NORVINA palette again, but I want to use the other side that has like more warm shades and like the gold metallic shades, just to see if they perform as well as purple and the pinks and you know, all the more like fantasy colors. I just wanted to see if they're just as good, which I'm sure they are, but you know, I wanted to play with the palette again, in other words. So yeah, mostly focusing on Eccentric, Passion, Incense, Dazzling. Oh, the rose gold shade, probably gonna use that one. So like, you know, these, just to see how they work out on my eye. For some reason in the last video I noticed the brush was really like rough on my eye. I'm not sure if it's like something I'm using on my eyes like when I wash my face, but it's too rough for me to use, so I'm gonna use my own brush. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to get some sort of look that I'm gonna do, please keep on watching. Okay, so the first shade I want to take is called Base. So obviously I'm going to use it as the base for my eyeshadow. This one right here. And I just want to see like how pigmented it is. It's very light. Oh. Oh. Yes, it is. But it's like showing up, so that's good. Okay. I dig. Okay. Ooh, smooth base we have. So now I'm gonna use the brush I always use, that's from TJ Maxx, that I really like. It seems kind of dirty. Do you ever forget to wash your brushes? Because same. So I'm gonna take Eccentric, which is the orangey, like very warm brown shade right there, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Okay, super pigmented. I really like the shade. It's you know the orange shade in the Anastasia, obviously Anastasia, in the Modern Renaissance palette. I think it's like Real Gar or something like that. It's like that. It's just more of a brown, a little bit of orange in it. It's like my favorite type of color. Okay, so it's such a pretty shade. I'm talking about Eccentric still because I'm obsessed. But now I'm gonna take Passion. That color is so pretty. It's like a reddish, purplish, brown, all these colors mixed together. It's so unique. I really like it. Let's see. It has a little bit of fallout in the pan, but I don't really mind. I'm gonna put it in the outer corner. Just really focus it there on making it kind of smoky. I'm gonna drag it to the inner part of the eye as well. Kind of gonna push the brush upward and create kind of like a winged out shadow. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with this brush and use the orangey shade again. Just put that above where we put all the dark passion shade and just kind of sandwich them together. Wow, it's so easy to blend. I'm not trying. It's been like 2 seconds and I could stop it right here, add a wing, and be good, but you know, we have to try those metallic shades. This is hard. I don't know what shade to use because they all look so beautiful. Not gonna lie, the rose gold is like calling my name, so I'm just gonna put that like everywhere, all over the lid. Let me just show you the rose gold. One right here. This guy. Let's see how it goes. I think I'm gonna take this brush first to kind of like map out where I want to put it, and then I'll go in with my finger because last time we figured out with the warmth of your finger it's more pigmented. So okay, so I'm gonna bring the metallic shade all the way across to where we winged out the eyeshadow. Like that, you know, a lazy cut crease. In other words, like no cutting it out with concealer, just straight up using the eyeshadow. Just because, honestly, it's so pigmented. What is the point of doing that extra step with a concealer? You guys, I'm gonna take this glitter from Urban Decay. What is it called? Grind. It's like this. Like has some pink flecks in it and a little bit of gold and all these other colors, and I'm just gonna line where we cut the crease. See how this goes. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Hopefully you can see. And now I'm gonna do this eye. And I can't look up at you, but I'll be right back. Whew. Okay, so I did it. Now it's time for a wing. Let's do this. Okay, so I did my wings. They're not the greatest, but it's fine. I'm gonna put eccentric. Hiccup. I'm gonna put awkward zoom. I'm gonna put eccentric in my lash line. Not in it, you know, like on it. And now for the inner corner, I think I'm gonna put Summer, which is the gold shade, this one. Inner corner and brow bone. Wow. Well, that's beautiful. Wow. and mascara. Okay, so this is the finished look, you guys. I don't know if you can see it at all. Can you see it? Thank you guys so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this video, and I know a lot of you are getting this palette because of the pink and purpley shades, but the warm shades are just as buttery and amazing and pigmented. So get it, use it, love it. Also, I think it's really good for like all year round because you have like fun shades, but you also have the nice browns. I don't know, like I can't really attach it to a season. I could wear it all the time, and that's really cool. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. Let me know. Bye. Love you.